Hey YouTube, so as you can hear, my subwoofer in the back here on my GX470 speaker is blown, and it's because of the surround that's rotted away, I assume. So I'm gonna replace that with replacement foam from speakers.com. Okay, unfortunately this grill doesn't just pop off, so you do have to take this panel off, and there is a lot of parts to remove, but it's not hard. It's just a lot of screws and bolts, and just take your time. And I follow the guide from clublexus.com forum, which I'll link in the description below. Okay, I got all the screws removed. Now I'm just gonna pry this up with a panel tool. Just peel this away, and then this should just pop off. Remove this cover. Pry these up so I can get to the bolts. So 14mm socket to remove the 2 bolts. Okay, I got the seat removed. Okay, next is removing the seat belt. So yeah, the cover just lifts up. Now I just need a socket to remove that bolt. Okay, next remove this the same. Okay, same 14mm bolt. Socket. Okay, next I'm gonna remove this cover. Okay, same. Remove the this weather strip, like so. Okay, this is kind of getting in my way, so it's easy enough to just remove it. It's just a couple of 10mm bolts. Okay, I got it removed. As you can see, it was just sitting underneath it. Okay, there's a little clip here, so just popped it out. Okay, next I gotta slide or peel these carpet away to expose some screws under here. Okay, yeah, so peeling these away, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but you get the idea. There's some screws underneath. Okay, so again, there's I got all the screws off, so now I'm just popping off the clips, as you can see here. So it looks like the surround is not rotted like I assumed it would be, but so I'm not sure if the replacing the surround is gonna fix this. Okay, I do see a rip, so right there. I don't know if you could see that, but there's a rip there, so the bottom is loose from the speaker. So I got these popped off. As you can see, they're just clipped in. This one was a little bit stubborn, had to use a little screwdriver, but so it's off now. This carpet is in the way, so I'm pushing it back down. Okay, so I think that's all I need to take apart. I can get to it now, so watch out for that connector. And then this panel, you could remove it, but I think I'm good with like this, just to get this speaker out and repair it. On second thought, since everything's removed, I'm just gonna get it out the way. It's already completely loose, as you can see. So Okay, I think I finally got it out. So these have to pry this out to clear these. That's where I struggled, and you do have to pop these off and remove it somewhat, like you kind of see now. Now I can find. Okay, so I finally got that clip out, so you could kind of see here this clip and to there. So you gotta lift it up to get this. Okay, so I got this repair kit from simplyspeakers.com. Got it on eBay. You can also get it on Amazon. And so they come with a kit with the two fronts. I already replaced my fronts, so I just got the rear, and these are like 18 bucks. And so just gonna follow the direction in removing the old one. Here's what the old one looks like. You could see it's ripped, and this part just fell apart just from age. And okay, I'm gonna start by removing this outer edge with a blade, and just peeling it off. So its instruction says to peel it off the cone, so I'm going to do that. Slowly peel it, what's left of this foam around. Okay, I think most of the foam. Still got to do a little bit here. And then the outside is same thing. I gotta remove those as well. Okay, next I'm using some rubbing alcohol to clean the adhesive off, or as much of it as I can. And I did scrape off the foam. Okay, I got it clean as much as I could, at least good enough, I think. And so here's the replacement. Doing a test fit, and then I should be able to just glue it, and the rest should be pretty straightforward from here. So the instruction says to apply a bead of adhesive around the cone or underneath the foam, the lip here, this edge. So I did that bead of glue, as you can see. Okay, now I gotta wait about an hour for the glue to set, and then I'll do the same on the outer edge. Okay, next I'm gonna apply a bead on the outer edge all around, and then just push it down and center it best I can, and move it up and down to make sure it's centered and not rubbing the voice coil. Okay, so I glued the outer edge, pushed it down, and exercised the speaker, make sure it's centered and not rubbing. So that's pretty much it. We put a little bit too much glue, but that doesn't matter, as you can see there. Okay, so I got the speakers in, it's all done. I'm just gonna do the reverse and put everything back, and that should be it. Okay, got everything back. Don't forget to connect the two connectors there, and of course the speaker, and then torque the seatbelt bolts. I looked it up, it says 31 foot-pound. I'm not sure if that's right, but that's what I'm going with, around, again, 31 foot-pound. Okay, looks like it's fixed. It takes about an hour for the glue to set, so I don't hear that noise anymore. So if this video helps you out, please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Thank you.